We are nature in the city. You're watching Sunday Sessions Berlin. This song is The Path.
When he was 21, he left his home, 'cause his pockets were full and his heart was still empty. He had realized his only goal was to take the path that was chosen for him. So he went as far as his money would take him, to where beggars live like ordinary men. Though no one here expects him to, he still tries to take the path that was chosen for him. Take the path that was chosen just for him. For a long time he was happy, found something to pick him up when he falls down. But one early morning he woke up, his dream came tumbling down. And he thought that he liked that, but ain't gonna fly on his own. He thought that he liked that, but this place doesn't feel like home. He thought that he liked that, but ain't gonna fly on his own. He thought that he liked that. Now he takes the path that was chosen just for him. Yes, he takes the path that was chosen just for him.